Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best pet toothbrush is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining your small dog's oral hygiene, preventing painful dental diseases and costly vet visits down the line. As a pet owner, you understand the importance of a healthy smile for your furry friend, and choosing the right toothbrush can make all the difference in their comfort and overall well-being. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect toothbrush that fits your small dog's unique needs, ensuring their teeth and gums stay healthy and strong for years to come. Number 5. Arm & Hammer Tartar Control Dog Dental Kit. Keep your dog's teeth clean and gums healthy. Regular brushing helps reduce plaque and tartar buildup, leading to fresher breath. This kit includes everything you need for effective dental care. It comes with beef-flavored toothpaste, a dual-headed toothbrush, and a finger brush for comfortable cleaning. Our formula uses baking soda to gently clean teeth and freshen breath. It's a safe and effective way to maintain oral hygiene without harsh chemicals. The enzymatic toothpaste helps break down buildup during brushing. This supports ongoing tartar control and promotes better daily dental care. Make brushing a positive experience for your dog. The delicious beef flavor encourages consistent use, leading to cleaner teeth and fresher breath. With dual brush heads and a finger brush, you can easily reach all areas. This ensures a more thorough clean along the gum lines and teeth. Establish a healthy dental routine from a young age. It's suitable for puppies and adult dogs, supporting consistent oral hygiene for all. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for your dog's dental needs. It includes everything you need to get started with brushing. If you're looking for a complete package with a flavor that most dogs enjoy, this is a great choice. What people say. The toothbrush is designed with a double-sided brush head that can clean teeth from multiple angles. The soft bristles are gentle on gums and effective at removing plaque. The long handle provides a comfortable grip and allows for easy access to hard-to-reach areas. Number 4. VIWIK 4-Pack Dog and Cat Finger Toothbrush Kit. Introducing the VIWIK 4-Pack Pet Toothbrush Kit, your essential toolkit for maintaining your pet's dental hygiene. Keep their teeth sparkling clean with this comprehensive set. Made from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, these toothbrushes are completely safe for your furry friends. The soft bristles are gentle on gums, ensuring a comfortable brushing experience. These are designed to reach even the most difficult areas, ensuring a thorough clean for your pet's teeth. They are reusable and easy to clean, making them an eco-friendly choice. The kit comes in 4 vibrant colors to capture your pet's attention and make brushing fun. The finger sleeves fit easily on any finger, making dental care an enjoyable routine. This kit is suitable for various pets, especially medium to large dogs. Cleaning and storage are a breeze with the included box, adding style to your pet's routine. Lightweight and compact, these toothbrushes are perfect for on the go. You can easily carry them in your pocket or bag, ensuring your pet never misses their dental hygiene routine. What we like. This option provides excellent value with 4 toothbrushes in a pack, perfect for multiple pets or for keeping spares. The silicone material is safe and gentle. If you need a portable and colorful set for on-the-go cleaning or for households with several pets, consider this. What people say. The toothbrush is designed with a double-sided brush head, allowing for more efficient cleaning. Its soft bristles are gentle on the gums, making it suitable for small dogs with sensitive mouths. The long handle provides a comfortable grip and makes it easier to reach all areas of the dog's mouth. Number 3. Vet's Best Dog Dental Care Kit. Introducing the Vet's Best Dog Dental Care Kit, a comprehensive solution for your furry friend's oral hygiene. Keep their smile bright and healthy with ease. This kit is vet-formulated to ensure the best care for your dog's teeth. Trust in a product designed for their optimal health and well-being. Our enzymatic toothpaste works effectively to combat plaque buildup. It's designed to gently clean and protect your dog's teeth. Say goodbye to unpleasant doggy breath. This toothpaste helps to naturally freshen their breath, making cuddle time more enjoyable. Everything you need is included in this kit. With a toothbrush and finger brush, you can choose the best way to clean their teeth. Promote healthy gums and strong teeth with regular use. A healthy mouth contributes to a happier, healthier dog overall. What we like. This kit is vet-formulated for optimal dental health and uses enzymatic toothpaste to combat plaque and freshen breath. If you prioritize veterinarian-approved solutions and are looking for a trusted brand to maintain your pet's oral hygiene, this is the one to choose. What people say. The toothbrush is designed with a small head and soft bristles, making it easy to reach all areas of a small dog's mouth. The angled brush head allows for better access to back teeth and gum lines, promoting thorough cleaning. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, ensuring control and stability during brushing. Number 2. Jasper 360 Degrees Finger Dog Toothbrush 2-Pack. Experience superior dog teeth cleaning with our patented 360 degrees silicone bristles. They clean every surface at once, removing 3x more plaque. You'll see visibly whiter teeth and fresher breath in just 7 to 10 days. Our ultra-soft, food-grade silicone bristles are gentle on even the most sensitive gums. This makes it perfect for puppies, seniors, and dogs with gingivitis, providing deep cleaning without irritation. The unique finger fit design offers 360 degrees control, allowing you to easily clean hard-to-reach back molars. It's the fastest and most effective way to maintain daily dental care. The soft silicone feels natural and playful, so dogs often accept brushing willingly. Turn stressful brushing time into a calm, enjoyable routine. This dishwasher-safe, sterilizable 2-pack lasts 6 to 12 months with daily use. It's a cost-effective solution compared to disposable alternatives. It works perfectly as both a dog toothbrush and a cat toothbrush, suitable for all breeds, big or small. Our one-size-fits-all design securely fits all fingers. Just add a few drops of water for a perfect, non-slip fit during cleaning. What we like. Experience superior cleaning with its innovative 360-degree design and ultra-soft bristles that are gentle on sensitive gums. If you have a pet with sensitive teeth or gums, or if you're seeking the most effective and comfortable cleaning experience, this toothbrush is ideal. What people say. The design of the toothbrush is very good, with a multi-angle brush head that can reach deep into the teeth. The soft bristles are gentle on the gums and do not cause irritation. It is easy to hold and control, making brushing easier for both the pet and the owner. Number 1. Orgrimmar 2PCS 3-sided Pet Toothbrush. Keep your pet's smile bright with our innovative 3-sided toothbrush. Designed for dogs and cats, it makes dental care easy and effective. Its unique 3-sided brush head reaches every surface, ensuring a thorough clean. This design helps tackle plaque and tartar buildup with ease. Say goodbye to unpleasant pet odors. This tool is specifically designed to clean teeth and gums, effectively reducing bad breath and tartar. Provide your furry friend with gentle dental care that gets the job done. It's perfect for maintaining their oral hygiene regularly. This 2-piece set is an essential addition to your pet care routine. Ensure their dental health is in top condition with this convenient brush. What we like. This toothbrush features a unique 3-sided design that efficiently cleans all surfaces of your pet's teeth simultaneously. If you're short on time or want to ensure a thorough clean in a quick manner, this brush is perfect for tackling tartar and bad breath. What people say. The toothbrush has a unique design that makes it easy to clean all sides of the teeth at once. The soft bristles are gentle on the gums, making it a comfortable experience for the dog. It is effective in removing plaque and tartar, contributing to better oral hygiene for small dogs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.